You gonna start? These are cool. Oh, wow. Yeah, these modded something much older. Oh, look. They're used to nudge mode.
You pissed it off.
These are probably 411Ms.
I bet these used to be touch or something.
I bet these used to be something older than that. These probably used to be like black buttons.
Maybe pop out. For all I
You're
know.
right. These could have been. Here, let's show the, let's get the chime. Oh, Jesus, that thing nudges fast. Why does it nudge so fast? Which one's it gonna be? A mystery. Someone's getting on that other one. Here we go. I think. Come on. Jesus. I swear, one of them must not be working.
There's only one working.
Wait, what?
I'm saying if there, I swear, there's only one working.
Yeah, right. Watch it be that one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, in the meantime, look at this renovation that does not match the building whatsoever.
That's why I didn't want to leave, but whatever.
Yeah, sorry about that. Telephone.
Hi.
Going down.
I hope so. It's,
Were you waiting just as long as we were?
Well, I'm usually waiting quite a long time, but this elevator, for some reason, it was going up when it picked me up on 6.
Sorry, I'm just getting a video of the elevator.
Oh, okay. But we're going down
Sure taking its time.
now. I think this is now the only one working.
Well, we took the other one earlier.
Oh, okay. Then we got 2 out of 3 working
Guess so.
at the moment. So sus.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Picture this panel.
Remember to do my video.
Oh, these are bottom drive. Yeah, these are bottom drive.